Yeka went viral this week on TikTok and it's great. It's so rewarding. It made me so happy. We literally went from I think 37 followers or 27 followers to over 8,000. Hello, happy new week. I just got done with my hair. It's not the first time I'm making this style and I just think it fits me so well. I decided to talk more about business, give a bit of an update on my businesses. Welcome to this week diary of a 20-something-year-old business owner in Nigeria. While I talk, I'm going to be doing my skincare because I just finished having my bath and my face is super dry. Where do I actually start? I put on some key points. This past week was rough, at the same time rewarding. Let me give you guys all the dates while sharing some lessons I learned from this week. So I bought a new mold for the business and it arrived this week. I've been trying to do some samples myself because I wanted to give my sister to travel with because of the likelihood of her doing like small promo for me. I've been trying to make the item but it keeps breaking, which is very sad. It's making me really worried because these molds are super expensive. I think the thing with running business is the thoughts of if you're doing the right thing, if you're wasting money, if you're spending money where you're supposed to be spending money. Let me quickly show you guys the broken stuff. Let me go and get it and show you guys. So this is one of the items. Oh, this is so cute. Oh my goodness. Now I need to wash my hands. I'll be right back. Alright, I am back. So that's the bit. I actually ordered the mold. Surprisingly, it came really fast. I didn't know it was going to come before Christmas, but I'm so happy it's here because I'm genuinely looking to add some new items, especially since Christmas is coming. I keep adjusting this. I don't know, I wasn't sure what style I want to be making these videos. I thought I'd be able to be making vlogs, but to be for real, I don't remember I should be vlogging until I'm done with what I was supposed to vlog. So I think it's something I have to figure out. I think people that used to vlog, they used to try. We might have to keep doing this whole sitting down and talking video, especially when it comes to giving updates. Anyways, a bit of an update. We went viral this week on TikTok. Yeka went viral this week on TikTok and it's great. It's so rewarding. It made me so happy. We literally went from I think 37 followers or 27 followers to over 8,000 in a space of one day, and it's so rewarding. You know, the reason I'm saying it's rewarding is that I have a junior marketer working with me. To see such results, I think she will find it super encouraging, which is something I'm always praying for people working with me. I'm praying that, you know, the business actually moves forward, they get busy doing something so they don't get bored or, you know, like start doubting. I never want to breed doubt, you know, like with me or people around me or people working for me, and I am always careful when it comes to sharing my fear, my doubts, because it's not something I want them to feel. So to actually have that content do numbers, I really appreciated it because even listening to my marketer, her voice changed, she was happy, you know, it just showed the result of the hard work that she has been putting in so far, and I'm so grateful for that. Anyways, we went viral, so hopefully with time in the future we'll try to keep this number. We currently don't have any sales working out because we currently don't have any sales coming in because we are currently focusing on top of the funnel content, which is a very popular marketing thing. You know, if you're not a marketer, top of the funnel contents are the content you put out there just to gain attention, just to get visibility. It doesn't necessarily lead to sales. Like you could get 1 million views, you could convert and get, you know, 5k followers from such content, but you barely see any sales, which is great because, you know, like the strategy around having such content is to first of all let people know about you. And I think it's the bit with selling. When it comes to marketing and trying to sell to people, it's a marketing thing to try and first of all be on top of people's mind. And in order to be on top of people's mind, you need to like start pushing out the content, especially for people that don't know you. Some of those content can actually involve introducing yourself because you're entering a space that don't know you. You're entering a space that is new. You're entering a space that people don't care, and in order to make them care, you need to start doing something that will in turn make them start looking at you and start making them care at the very least. You know, some of the content to actually consider if you're trying to do a top funnel content kind of thing is a value-based content. I think the thing with social media, something I actually realized doing marketing for a long time now is that people think people care about them. People think people care about what they're doing. People think people care. The truth is that everybody online, and this is very funny because human beings. I don't want to say this and sound like I'm not a human. I am. I also did a case study on myself. Human beings are selfish. We are selfish people, humans, right? We care only about ourselves and what will benefit us. So, and I think it kind of like translates with the way we do content. We do content in terms of like doing selfish things, thinking people care about us the way we care about ourselves, but they don't. They care about themselves. So if you can in turn actually provide value and start caring about people, you get to learn this when you read your Bible teaches you to love your neighbor, not love yourself. When you love your neighbor, you in turn show love to yourself. I like to use niacinamide for my under eyes. I haven't been using it on the rest of my face. I just think I should focus on my under eyes. We can focus on other kinds of content, but currently we are still on top of funnel content. Hopefully in a month or two, depending on how things go, we can switch things up and change the kind of content we are now putting out there. I think that's all the update I have for Yeka currently. There are other things, I just can't remember them. So let me give a bit of an update with Lekon Studios, how my campaign is going. Speaking of that, today is Sunday and I should really look at the campaigns I'm running. I mean my rejection therapy stage. The reason why I'm saying this is because the campaign I am running, the other day I got someone like a response and someone said not interested, and I'm like, damn. First off, I was genuinely happy that the person at least responded. It means that my campaign is falling on their inbox and they're seeing it and they're reading it. They're reading it enough to understand what I was communicating, and for them to respond, I think is great. So now I want to start rejection therapy. I want to be, not like I wasn't okay with someone saying they are not interested, but as much as something I am already used to, because it's not the first time I'm actually doing emailing. So as much as it's something I'm already used to, it's just kind of like still feel off anytime it happens. I literally took a few hours off and came back later, thought about it, laid down, spoke to ChatGPT, and then came back to it. So far, I would say the email campaign is going well. The open rate is still high, but aside from negative responses, I haven't really gotten any other response, which means I have to go back, look at the campaign, especially my email sequence, and see if there's something I need to change, see if there's a way for me to like start offering something of value first instead of just shooting directly. When it comes to emailing, just like I was saying in my last video, when it comes to emailing, there are a lot of things you just need to put in place. You're shooting in a crowd that don't even know or care about you. Marketing is weird. You work really hard to get noticed, and I think the sales come from the amount of people that actually notice your shit. This thing is, it's like dripping down. So I think the bit for me there is to put in more work in terms of like making us known, like the stakeholders in the business, making sure that we are out there, we have like a good reputation, with our LinkedIn, appearing on podcasts, appearing on some kind of events, getting some honorable mentions. I think these things will literally help boost us in terms of like having people trust us. So that's the work I want to really focus on this week, getting all these things done, seeing if we can have like an appearance or something that will really boost our digital footprint to make this business owner trust us. So finally, I'm just going to use this vitamin C cream because it's hot. I don't want to do too much. Let me know if it's sounding like entirely it's all bad news this week with Lekon Studios, because we actually got a client this week, which is great. We hope that with time we're able to like close more clients and also onboard a new designer to the team. I would like to actually have like a full-blown mini marketing team. Fingers crossed. Still praying to God, still hoping. So I think I am in a very, very good place now. For real. I'm so grateful actually. for this week, for being at this point, for even at least having these things and thinking about them. I'm so grateful, actually. I'm beyond thankful. I need to put in more work with being patient, being, having faith in God. But I'm not gonna lie, this is good. This is really good. I am so happy. It's giving Kanye West. This is actually really good. I am really happy with where I am. And that's it for the update. The week just started, so I have a lot of things to do. One of them is upload these videos. This is still new. With time, I guess I'll figure out a better way to be doing these videos, but I'm trying to ease into it. I'm trying to not do too much. I'm trying to not over push myself so I don't burn out, because I obviously have a lot that I am doing. Just taking it easy so I don't burn out. I'll keep easing in, I guess. I still have a lot. Remember the contract I was talking about in my last video? Yeah, I still haven't gotten the time to even look at it, read it, go over it. I haven't. It's part of the thing I think I will do this week. I managed to knock off some of the tags I have from the previous week, which is, connecting Facebook and Wix. I did my website on Wix, and I did my website myself. So connecting that, I was able to do it, and I was also able to, with our post going, reaching more audience, we're able to get some traffic on our website, which is great, because we can stay the whole day and we won't have any visitor on our website. But now we have like 20. We had 20 the other day. The last past day I think we had like 30. To have that amount of traffic already coming in, I think is great, even if it's not leading to any conversion at the moment. I'm talking about Yekan now. This is where you guys need to keep up, and I feel like the more I talk about this, the more you just listen and know the particular business I'm referring to, or the business I'm talking about. Anyways, let me apply lip gloss. This is literally my favorite lip gloss, which is funny because I didn't want to buy it, but now it feels like I can't live without. Yeah, I can live without Tisha, but you get the point. And that's too much. How cute. Anyways, Sandra signing off. Bye.